How do I make acrylic paint waterproof for outdoor applications?
Hello, creative enthusiasts. In this video, we are going to address a common question asked by many artists and DIY enthusiasts alike. How do I make acrylic paint waterproof for outdoor applications? As you may know, acrylic paints are versatile and easy to work with, but without the right preparation and finish, they might not stand the test of time when used outdoors. Let's solve that problem.
Why is acrylic paint not waterproof?
Firstly, it's important to understand why acrylic paint isn't waterproof by default. Acrylic paints are water-soluble, but become water-resistant when dry. However, when exposed to the harsh elements of the outdoors, this water resistance can break down over time, causing your artwork to fade, peel, or chip. This is why we need to take some extra steps to protect our artwork when it's going to be outside.
What do you need?
Here's what you're going to need to make your acrylic paint waterproof for outdoor use. Acrylic paint, surface to paint on, wood, canvas, etc., sealant or varnish, paintbrushes, a clean, dry cloth. Remember, the type of sealant you choose is crucial. Opt for a sealant that is UV resistant and designed for outdoor use. This will ensure your paint doesn't fade or peel under the influence of weather and sun.
How to apply the paint?
When painting with acrylics, it's best to apply multiple thin coats rather than one thick one. This helps the paint adhere better to the surface, and it dries more quickly and evenly. Allow each layer to dry before adding the next.
How to seal the paint?
Once you're happy with your painting and it's completely dry, it's time to seal it. Here's how to do it. 1. Clean the surface. Use a clean, dry cloth to gently wipe off any dust or dirt from your painting. 2. Apply the sealant. Use a clean brush to apply the sealant or varnish. Follow the manufacturer's instructions on the product, applying evenly and covering the entire painted surface. 3. Dry time. Allow the sealant to fully dry. The drying time may vary based on the product you're using. 4. Add multiple coats. For the best protection, apply multiple coats of sealant, allowing each one to dry fully before applying the next. That's it, folks. It's not that hard to make your acrylic paintings waterproof for outdoor use. With the right materials and these steps, you can create artwork that can withstand the weather and elements. Happy painting, and don't forget to let your creativity shine, no matter the weather.